welcome to the EPROM 9. Yes, we got a view of a box because we have an unboxing. So we have the Swiss Army knife out. And because there's a deadly virus going around the world, we have the spray out. No offence to the person who actually sent it out, but I'm sure you can understand the need to have disinfectant spray. The box and whatnot has already been sprayed. My finger has already been a casualty of Mr. Knife because I sharpened him. To get the black plastic packaging off, because addresses and all that, and address is not a public domain. So yeah, someone actually, Mr. PLY Tiger, actually offered to donate some night vision stuff. And some of the stuff I currently know is in the box, unless he's an absolute masterful troll and has packed it with nothing but dog turds, which to be honest would be utterly hilarious. And let me know your stuff to pay you with PayPal on the postage at least, if you want. Which is actually in euros, so they're actually somewhere... Oh god, it still keeps bloody bleeding. Oh well, we'll deal with that. But yeah, there's always that bit of that thing in the back of your mind when someone's just like, I need your address so I can send you something. There's always just that bit, and it's just like, are they a troll who wants to try and do something malicious? But this person is legit so far, so let's crack open the thing and see what goodies actually are inside. Oh, apparently it opens this way round, so we've already had one fail by having the box go the other way, so oh god, we almost slashed ourselves open. We'll do a bit more decontamination because, well, there's every reason to be OCD in this environment. And so far we have... Oh, this is the tissue stuff. But, oh god, they used to have to... Oh, yeah. Oh my god. He wasn't kidding when he said some extra goodies. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is awesome. There's, he said there's going to be, like, some Russian tech. I love Russian tech, if there are any old Cold War Russian tech. He said there's going to be, like, an old night vision scope. Ah, nice. Night vision scope and high voltage power supplies. And a vintage Russian scope. So here we have, oh my god, this looks like something to do with X-ray. Look at this. Oh, that is awesome! I've always wanted to play with X-rays. Ocular lens, nice. This looks like an X-ray tube. Are there any markings on it? Interesting. Oh, me likey the looks of that. I think we can potentially see some X-ray experiments coming. Hopefully I don't give the neighbours cancer, because I don't think there's bricks in the wall that way, which is where the neighbours are. That on its own is really cool. That definitely looks like an X-ray tube of some sort, complete with some nice little ocular lenses, eyepiece ones, because it's got the rubber baffle on it. Let's bring it a bit closer so you can see it. This time we have the tripod because someone highlighted in my last video about the shaky. Yeah, I need a gimbal, and that gives me an idea for a project, so that's good. So that little bit of feedback gave me something there. That on its own is nice. That on its own just... Oh, it's like being a kid again. It's like, this is what I love about this sort of stuff. This is the sort of shit you don't get at Christmas. It's sort of ironic. The people who know you best, your family, don't always give you the coolest things possible. Then we have what looks like a... Ah, yes, we've got night vision objective. It's all in sealed bags as well. That's so nice. Ah, nice. These lenses are actually surprisingly difficult to get hold of. And pricey. But yeah, because they've got like f1 apertures and whatnot. This looks like the type that's C-mount as well. So night vision objective lens, nice. I don't know if there's any note in there. There's notes on what the items are. So yeah, I was talking about bonus. And here, oh, we got some more eye cups. I love optics. Look. objective lenses. So these are what you put to face the actual... I should be actually doing the decontamination. I keep getting so carried away that I forget just to decontaminate the bags, just in case, just to be safe. Now my cut's stinging. Then we have... here's one of the night vision power modules. Let's... I know this tube. I've seen these online. These are used in a surprising amount of... Hang on, no, this one looks a bit different. But that's definitely Rusky engineering right there. Here we go. So we've actually got some things. We've got a PNA monocular IR diode plus power supply. Is there something else in there? Looks like it. 12 volt input, red wire 12 volt, white wire GND. Note, marker diodes are easier to drive and have lighter output power. Nice. Is that diodes or something else? I'm not sure. And then we've got a very similar board, but we have on it the tube, and this one is PN3A Gen 1 monocular tube and power supply, 12 volt input, dual power supply and monocular hand, 8 1.5 volt batteries. Oh, is that how it'd be normally driven? Because yeah, batteries plus car cigarette input power, diode on one of the red wires. This was to stop the car from charging the internal batteries of the monocular. Yeah, otherwise you'd end up the batteries going, well, this era wouldn't have gone thermonuclear like today's batteries, but you get the point. Red wire 12 volt, white wire GND, photocathode of the tube is also GND. Yes, information like that is so valuable, because just trying to find stupid little tidbits like that is difficult. So yeah, I want to keep this stuff all in the bags it came with, because it has information on it. Now we have a power module of some type. Russian Gen 1 power supply, which is here. All potted, of course, so actually repairing the power supply would be difficult to impossible on failure, but it looks like clear potting compound, and there are ways of removing it. So, Russian Gen 1 3 volt input knotted wire is positive. Nice, thank you for that little thing. Photocathode screen, got a little picture with wiring diagram. Nice, makes my job a lot easier. Impulse 3 volts DC. So, you can literally run this off of like 2 AA batteries or one 18650 cell stepped down. That's good to know. Output approx 16 kilovolts DC. So yeah, gonna be able to give you a bit of a tingle. Oh, the next thing looks like another bit of optics. Oh, nice. Night vision objective lens. Seriously? More than one of these? Nice. Complete with a nice built-in lens cap and that. Oh, that's lovely. So I guess, yeah, that is nice. That looks very much like one of these threads on a standard sort of M42 lens. I'm going to try this with just a standard camera just for shits and giggles to see if it fits. I don't think the other one uses a similar sort of thread. Oh god, these are definitely being hooked up to a normal camera just for the hell of it. The next thing, I've just spotted something in the bottom of the box which looks like, how do I put this? It looks like a full piece of Russian surplus, but the mystery is what could it be? Oh my god, this is so exciting. It's a shame I can't really naturally do the whole I'm an excited kid thing anymore, because I'm getting that feeling. Oh nice, this is like a 3-stage of the one that I did. So here we go, we bring it up. Bring it into view of the camera. Oh, nice. A whole 3... there's enough stuff in here for me to play with for a while. You don't realise how many hours of entertainment you've provided me. Don't you dare run out, you fucking battery. A 3-stage Gen 1 Cascade intensifier tube multiplier and inverter. So it's got all the power supply already there, which is brilliant. 2.5 volt DC input, 2.7. Inverter is good, tube or multiplier is dead. So we have a bit of a repair job on hand. So the multiplier could be failed, but the inverter is good, tube or multiplier. So we got some playing around here to do with, and either can be the case, but it's the exact same type of multiplier I put in my other. Night vision scope I built out of just random bits laying around the house type deal, yeah. I had the parts to build a night vision scope just laying around the house, you know, like everyone else. And we have this mysterious, interesting looking box. Ooh. Oh, what is this? What is this? Oh, nice. Tear down item. Russian night vision battery charge. A 12 volt, 24 volt input. Battery voltage approx 7 volts. Nice. Nice. It's just like all the mysteries that this thing could be. Oh my god, this is awesome. Thank you so much for this. Look, it's even got the janky ass plug on it. Oh, that's brilliant. I wonder if he still works, but yeah, we're definitely going to have to do a teardown on this thing because this looks awesome. And then I think the rest of the box is filled with empty and tissue paper, and I will actually keep this tissue paper because this stuff's actually useful to have around, so he can get shoved down in the gap down there. And the box, well, the box can go with my pile of boxes behind this chair. I've been ordering a lot of stuff on eBay lately. So, I'm going to wash my hands like that, dump that down there. He can go back down to the kitchen. And I would like to thank you all for watching. Enjoy the groin shot there. And I have some toys to play with. Thank you so much for doing this because you really didn't have to. That is awesome. I can't believe it, an X-ray tube. You have no idea how much I've wanted to play with one of these for a while. Oh, that's going to be fun. Oh, let's try not to kill myself with it though. That would be good. Thank yous. And thanks for watching.